Cyber 2 Labs, we try to teach people as much as possible. Again, what do you got to do? You got to know how the drone works. So you build it. You build your own little drone, just like we take that rifle in boot camp. You learn how the rifle works. You take it apart until I think your final exam. We got to they blindfold you and you take it apart and put it back together. That's kind of how the whole thing works. And then with the drones, once you built it, then you learn how, once you start flying it, because hey, you built it, now you get to fly it, you learn how to attack it. And once you learn how to attack it, then you say, okay, what can I do to try to defend against that attack? So we start looking at waypoints, taking out the RF signal where they have no RF signature, and they're running different types of things. There's all those different types of things that you can do, right? So these are what we want to make sure people understand, is you build it, once you build it, you attack it, and then you defend it. And that's the best way to learn. In our view, that's why we do it at Cyber 2 Labs that way. You had the drone, but then you have the software-defined radio. And the software-defined radio is how you do your spectrum analysis. And the radio frequency spectrum is what you got to analyze for classification. So we actually give them the kit with the software-defined radio so they can do the analysis of the different radio frequency signals. So they have the drone, and then they have the ability to analyze the radio frequency signals of the drone. So that's kind of how the kit works.